tracks, walk up to the tracks, get a shot with the car going over, the car will clear the tracks, and then we'll load on. If you're not taking a picture, stay on the car. You're getting a photo and you're going ready to walk fast, get moving. We're going to get off in a minute.
Oh, we are going to try to do this. One bite, everybody knows the rules. I really don't need to. I look down the rail tracks, you can see like the yeah, right. I saw that. Damn it, I would love to. Oh, crap. I didn't see that. I didn't realize this is travel agents. Travel. King Travel. Where's your game? I'm sure volunteers will probably still be out there. What are you guys doing out there today? We just split up every Sunday to start day. I said I'd be there earlier tonight. I woke up at 9. I was like, yeah, fuck this. Tell them to look out for this. I was like, I'll clean up after this. Tell them to look out for the red and blue travel. Yeah. Actually, well, that'll be part of the Clark President. Actually, yeah. Mass real. Probably up in like what's that, Fells? Oh, I know. That'd be great if those were all left. Yes. Well, yeah, because they all go back to one central. All of the buses wasn't the only kid who got sick by the diesel fumes on buses, right? I don't know. It would take a lot to get me sick. I rode school buses all my elementary school years. I have somewhat of a chemical sensitivity towards certain diesel fumes. That's why I have strong synesthesia. It's like, it smells like peat green today. Yeah, whenever I smell diesel, like I used to drive buses for my college, and I just get taken back to like crappy. And there's all different kinds of bad smelling diesel too. Whenever I'm trying to pour gas in my tank, gas, and like just smell it for the next 5 minutes. Get a photo of me. Oh no! So that was a runaway. Yeah, right. It was pulled out of the yard. When was that? Within the last year or two. He just came out of the yard. Get a picture of the damn building. Oh wow, you can see the gouges. Hey. It looks like an old building. The old airlines were called. The weird thing is that SEPTA has a bizarre number of runaways. Like, there are 2 that got a lot of press, and I know 2 others on regional rail that no one knows about. About them, obviously, has the operator. You're telling me the entire. Let me know if we're on. Let me know if we're on rare mileage or. This is revenue. The rare mileage. So there is a connector track between Woodland, this, and the Angora as it goes up to the 13. So it'd be interesting if how I bet we're going to use that. The question is, do we go up to the next one, or do we go to Angora? I noticed the loop is set. I bet we go to Angora. The question is, do we get on the 15th? Get my sweatshirt off. bankrupt, but they were closing a lot of pharmacies in normally underserved communities, unfortunately. This little market in the street, CBD here.
I like myself as
This is a really nice little CBD here with food options.
There's an old bank, it's still a bank, but like, like a coin that's flaming. Light your money on fire. That was Santander.
I haven't done something on the 11 in a while. Not having stops really makes this service great.
I was just thinking that. You're right. When you're right, you're right. That's what made trolleys big. They didn't have to stop.
I'd love to have some sort of this would definitely be like a weird stunt, like a thing where everybody votes if they want to stop, and when 51% of the trolley wants to get off, then the trolley actually stops.
It's like one of those. I saw someone on like Beast like House on Twitter said something like, "You got a proposal for like an express like bus or trolley service that can stop every block." But it's like, okay, it's free if you want to get on or off the express point. So like, all right, like this.
Oh, you have to pay if you have to get off. Oh, that's a good idea.
Right, you pay if you want to get off like at closer. What a way to.
That's an economist wet room.
Well, exactly. That was kind of not right.
You know that an economist would love to write a paper on that one. Wow, this street has a lot of commercial on it.
How's your seafood?
Here comes the R3 again.
That's the media Wawa.
So I don't think I've ever done this connection between the trolley and the R3 down here.
No, well, they merged with ACF. Sure.
It's kind of crazy how soon I worked in the truck and it's like, yeah, what we just like
Both the 800s
now you put them on
If this was post 9/11, we'd make a joke about the cops being called for suspicious rail fan photo activity.
Yeah, they were going towards Darby. Yeah, the car wreck immediately. Yeah, no kidding.
This is like a firehouse, or it might have been a substation. Oh, it's moving.
It goes to the
Oh. should have multiple. It should have ways around it. So.
You don't have a ride home? Yeah. I got more than stuff.
Sweet. I'm actually surprised we didn't take that. That's the Woodland diversion, or one of them.
Here, have another one. Yeah. Well, we'll give this a break. Oh, that one's still around. Are these reprints? No, they're original from 1980.
Wait, actually, that's amazing.
I have a whole box of them. I'll take another one. The guy that didn't want them.
Thank you.
I scanned it. These are original from 1980. Tell me what he was doing, sending that.
As the LRV approaches, just the outside, not more request. Oh, okay.
You see the trash train there?
Doesn't.
See, feel, or hear something new every minute.
I did finally take the
Air conditioning and heating. That's important.
All of them on these trains. Up to 4 cars.
Good. It can operate as smoothly as a gasoline or diesel powered vehicle.
We need to go to train to take it out.
Oh wow.
We need to go to like.
Hey, this is they can couple 4 of them together. They should absolutely do that for an excursion.
Yeah. No way, this is the exact ride.
When they run the R9s again, we'll hold it up. We'll have Mark make it stop.
This is really
Now it's all good. Layering
It is definitely tomorrow.
Yeah. I like the style of this. The lounge. Wait, right here. On the wooden fence. Yeah. Make it a Parker house. What do you want? I can put your things up. Oh, that's great. That'll make me house. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Oh, we are.
Again?
They are.
we did that with the I have a side shot.
Yeah, we'll probably go around. L&I has like all the side posts like top nailed in.
That's the 40s. This is now we're getting into oh sorry, that's Woodland. So there is a version coming up to get up to the 13 and the 36. I looked at it last night. I don't actually normally know these things.
What else here? This is 64 or something. Yeah, you're right, it does. Well, I'm the 52.
But we're not oh, we can't divert here.
Dope.
Nice. Oh, we can't go on the Philadelphia tracks. Right. Oh, wait, yeah, how are we going to get on the 10? They're going to have to cut up.
The 40th Street diversion loop. Diversion loop.
No, it's blocked right now. They're tearing the tracks on the screen.
I thought that's just for cars. The trolley is exempt from the Google map.
Yeah, but there's no rails there. So
Damn it.
it's like the same situation as like the key bridge is closed.
They should have said destroyed.
The key bridge no longer exists.
They should suspend it, calling it the Beltway. Would you support temporarily calling it the Baltimore Arcway since it no longer circumnavigates the city?
I don't know. I'm not waiting till it's ready.
What's your Twitter? I can't find it.
Oh, mine's...
Yeah.
Oh, it's just my name, Jackson. That's... They're still trying to sell this. We actually had a meeting about it next month. The whole campus, they went and sold one to Albert. Like, these buildings are probably going to turn down. I think they're going to get rid of them. They want to, yeah. And then they're just going to lease the buildings back.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like, community associations just been like...
Alright, listen up! We're going to stop at the stand at 40th Street. We're going to go around the loop possibly one time. So pick your spot. We're going to load up, back up for the 34 route stops. So that's what we're going to do. We'll do probably one loop around, just go in it, and then go into the subway tunnel.
No, West Philly Crash Fest is happening this month. Yeah. We also have members of the Northeast program. It's always time to go down there. I really want to see the inside of the building. I have a friend who lived there, in like the second one on this side of the street from the top. Very nice.